I'm going to tell you about this one futuristic problems, right? This is definitely futuristic. Matter of fact, these problems already started like 10, 15 years ago. In a day and age with computer, laptop work, entrepreneurship and all that stuff, you're gonna have a situation like you wake up early, right? You're gonna wake up early, or if you wake up late, like, okay, I woke up, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna try to eat a breakfast from outside or whatever it is. Or you know what, okay, I woke up, I went to the gym, okay, let's go for grocery. And then in some cases, you can be like, okay, you know what, I have a half bag of laundry, I'm gonna try to go do some laundry. But check this out, all of this gonna take you 2 days. But guess what, I have a bad news. You still have 5 more days. And guess what, in a day of age, you're gonna have an issue where you have no outside work to do. There will be no outside work. As much your life is getting comfortable at the top, you're gonna have a situations that there's no more outside work to do. There's literally no more outside work. Let me tell you more. Women in many countries, women like to stay in the kitchen all day just to avoid a side job. And what they do is that men too, men will be working, but the woman, the housewife, what they do is they take a sleep. They sleep after 1 o'clock and they wake up at evening, and before 1 o'clock, before their lunch, the all day, 24 hours, the whole day they were in the kitchen. And nowadays, these women are facing a lot of challenge because they know that, hey, other women or my friends are doing entrepreneur. If I stay in the kitchen and if I'm keep taking my husband's money or my boyfriend's money, that's gonna be bad that's gonna make me look bad. So what they try to do, now they're struggling like, damn it, I used to do all this labor job. Now there's like no more labor, you know? So you're gonna have these problems nowadays. As early you wake up, right? You're gonna have a problems that most of your work is not gonna be physical. That is the biggest issue nowadays. There's no physical related work. It will take there's only 1 day of only physical work. Rest of the day you have to do 90% of your work in computer. In computer, you have to do 91% of work. You're gonna have tremendous type of work, which is you don't have to do, but you created that work inside the computer. You build that empire, and you're gonna be desperate. In most cases, many people will get depressed out of it. They'll be like, listen, I have so much work, which is this. Even like that, faster, slower, or smaller. Only this and this. The head gonna stay one place, and the hand's gonna be right there. Your body's not gonna be moving. It's a massive amount of technical work. But guess what? No more laundry, no more cooking, no more outside bank. Like, how many people go to the bank nowadays? If you have a daily business, you might have your secretary. Well, obviously you cannot trust your secretary with everything. If you have a business, if you do that business, you're gonna have electronic transfer. So nowadays in a business, people do electronic transfer, or the owner will try to kind of somehow convert that cash into electronics, or the owner will do only wire transfer. So nowadays you don't have to go to the bank unless you were in some places, like in a restaurant, some people put the money on their safe, if depending on the security, right? Or sometimes bosses take the cash with them in a home. Okay, depending on the locations. But nowadays you're gonna have situations that, look, we don't go to the bank, we go to the ATM machines. All right, depending on what type of job or how you get the money. They're gonna be issue, you don't have to cook, right? So no body movement. You just go outside, pay somebody money, and you eat. You don't have to go to the bank, you don't have to cook. Laundry, only 1 day. Doctor appointment, maybe not, maybe once in a while, or maybe you have to do a one set of running. Pharmacy, this and that, clinic, special surgeon, you know, that's a bundle in 1 week or 1 month, and that's it. After that month, what are you gonna do? You have no other job to do anything to do with physical, and this is daily. Even in many cases, only one place you can do. Only one place, technically. I'm gonna forget about the gym. Only one place only 2 places that you can do that's like physical related or like a labor is grocery. If you do grocery, because you don't have regularity, you're always outside. There's no point of doing grocery. Second thing is laundry, which is mandatory. But if you do it at home, they're gonna be issue with the electricity, or like, oh, even people don't want to do the laundry home. They'll do it outside. Like, look, I'm finally doing some labor. I'm folding clothing. Yes. Oh my goodness. In 6 months, I did not do laundry outside. Like that's a huge, something like that. So now you're gonna have this issue, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are feeling it. But this is, I'll be the first person who's making this unsearchable video. That's good luck finding this. Is that nowadays there's a struggle. Like, how it's hard to find water on a restaurant? You will not find a water. Trust me. There's no free water. No restaurant will give you, unless it's a sit-down restaurant. There's still the questions. Like, free water, good luck finding it. Soda is there. Coca-Cola is going to be there. Free water, good luck. No way. Even the water buttons are getting disappeared from the fountain machine, just so you know. But yeah, if you wake up and if you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna have this situation that you're inside this quarantine home and all your stuff is indoor related, and you're gonna wake up, okay, I'm gonna deposit some money. No, guess what? You're gonna end up doing Zelle, Cash App, and all that thing. There's no, or if you do go to, okay, yes, I'm going to the bank for ATM machine. Only for ATM machine for literally less than 1 minute. That's it. After that, oh my God, now I have to go home. Now I have to go home and I have to do so much work. Oh my God, I have so much work to do. Where? Inside your laptop. Like, think about it. Like that is, and you have to stay like that for lengthy hours and hours. I wanna quit 9 to 5 and I wanna become a self-employee. Guess what? In your own home. So still 9 to 5. If you work at home, it's 9 to 5. If you work on an office, it's still 9 to 5. Just so you know. Matter of fact, if you work home, it's gonna be 7 to 7, or it's gonna be 7 to 8, or 7 to 9 p.m. All right, it's gonna be much more hardcore. So that's why people are going to coffee shops. So this is gonna happen. This is already happening. Think about what Saudi and Saudi Arabia and what is Dubai is probably going through. They probably have no outside work at all, or no labor-related work because they're so damn rich. So what do you, in situation like that, what's gonna end up happening? You need to pay money and you need to pay stuff to get the physical labor going. So nowadays of an age, you have to, human need to pay money to do the physical work. Back in the days, those things used to be free. Or you can do voluntary work. You can literally go inside a church and be like, yo, who is this dude in our church? Who are you? First of all, are you even Christian? Why are you not? No, I just want to help. Can I clean your church? No. That sounds very suspicious. Why you wanna? No, I'm too rich, I wanna clean. No. And why you dressed up so sharp? If you came to our church to clean the church, why you look like Bill Gates? My G, because I'm a Bill Gates. I got no other works to do. Please, I beg you, don't ask me any question. Can I please let me clean your toilet, please? And guess what? When you clean your toilet, when you clean the church dish, or do some sort of voluntary, and you're gonna be like, hey babe, you know what? I'm feeling really happy. We're breaking up, Like you're like, yo girl, I don't need you anymore. You're gonna look so happy. You know what? How about going to an older woman's house and clean their dish? No, don't try this at home. Only I can do that, not you, okay? Only I can do that anyway. Yeah, so this is where we're headed right now. Like that's, yeah, you know what? That's a good idea. I need to, holy crap. I can go like I can find like some Martha Shorts type of lady, or Rachel Ray from Food Network type of lady in local. We're like, hey miss, you want me to clean your dish? I'll clean your bathroom. It's okay. I don't need any payment. I'll clean your car. And I guarantee she's gonna check me out, in the window. Anyway, so yeah, guys, this is a very common issues. Okay, very common issues. You need to pay gym. Now, if you say, okay, I don't want to only pay gym, you can pay for boats to move around. You can literally rent a boat, a lot of money to move around. You can pay other person, hey, can I join? Let me pay your grocery. Let me catch all the fish for you. Here, $10. You can do that too, If you're really that rich and making so much money, go to the local business and be like, yo, can I clean your window? That sounds very low class. We're like, yo, what? You're Bill Gates. You're a rich person. No, please, I want to clean your window. Let me clean your window. It's okay. Do that. You can also do that. Okay. So that's just one example. But like you can do, there's still, the world still have a lot of labor related job. One side they're gonna be computer stuff, but if you're in really that perfect life right now, that where you have nothing else going on, and you're gonna wake up and like, oh man, I have to stay in my home and make so much money in my laptop. But again, I need some movement. My laundry is done, my everything is done, my outside bank deposit is done. What I'm gonna do right now? You pay those people to do this labor, or you just go to the beach and just clean up bottles. That's it. How about that? I'm telling you, this is gonna be the new rich people struggle. And by the way, I'm not rich. I'm broke. Over. High priority. Knock older woman's house and clean their dishes. All right. High priority. Star. Bookmark. Over.